to hear it now. I want to hear it. Finish it.
Please,
huh?
please.
Did you leave some worms this time? Not really, man.
Sorry, man. I mean,
The early bird gets the what?
you know the saying, the early bird gets
Yeah. I remember.
The early bird gets the what?
I'm begging you, man. I'm begging. I remember the saying. You ever hear the other saying though? Yeah, it was the one about how the early bird got his fucking brain blown out.
Chill.
No.
Okay.
You were so funny.
Okay.
With your little sayings, all right? I want to hear it now. I want to hear it. Finish it.
Please,
Huh?
please.
Huh? Come on. I want to hear it. I want to hear it. The early bird gets the what? The early bird gets the what?
I'm begging you, man. I'm begging you. I got kids at home, man. I'm begging you.
Finish it.
The worm.
Yeah, the early bird gets the worm. But you know what? Maybe the early bird leaves some for others, right?
Okay.
Yeah? Maybe the early bird is a little more considerate, right? Thank you. That's all I wanted to hear. Do this shit again, and the early bird's kids are gonna be raised in a single bird nest.
I was just hungry.
What should the new saying be now?